ladies and gentlemen, so in this video we are going to learn how to calculate infix evaluation. Okay, so let's get started. Suppose that we have expressions something like this: 2 plus 5 minus 3 multiplied by 6 divided by 2. We have to calculate the value of this expression, that is infix evaluation. So in order to complete this, we need two stacks. One is operand stack. This is our operand stack, and another stack will be gonna be operator stack. So before pushing the elements into this stack, there will be some rules. Let me write the rules so that we can do the evaluation easily. Rule number 1 is whenever we are encountering open bracket, then we simply need to push it into the stack. Push in stack. Fine. Second, whenever we are encountering digits, that is operands, push in operand stack. Third, whenever we are encountering closing bracket, we have to pop the elements till we encountered opening bracket. Let me write the rules first, then whenever we are doing this practically now, then we can understand what I'm saying about this. Okay. The rule number 4 is when we are encountering any operator, that is plus, minus, divide, multiply, then I have to check the precedence as well. Check precedence. If the precedence is greater than me, if the precedence of the stack, whatever, suppose that in the operator stack there is divide and I am trying to push the minus, I'm trying to push the plus operator, then I have to check the operator stack. Is the precedence of divide is greater than plus? If it is true, yes it is true, then I have to pop the divide and perform all the operations, then I can push the plus operator into the operator stack. Okay, so whenever we are encountering any operator, I have to check the precedence. If precedence is greater than equals to me, then I have to pop from the stack. Pop the operator from stack. Fine. If it is not, then simply push it. Fine. Okay, so let's do it. Now we encountered 2. Is it a digit? Yes, it is a digit. Now push it into the operand stack. Plus, push it into the operator stack. Encountered opening bracket, push it into the operator stack. Encountered 5, push it in the operand. Encountered 5, push it into the operator stack. 3, multiply. Now, multiply is trying to push itself. So we have to check, is this minus, this subtraction operator is greater than multiplication? No, the multiplication operator is greater than. This subtraction is less than. So I simply push this multiplier into this operator stack. Okay, now encountered 6, push it into the operand stack. Encountered divide. So before pushing, what I have to do? I have to check the precedence of whatever the operator we are having on this top of the stack. Okay. Multiply. Multiply is greater than equals to divide. The precedence of multiplication is greater than equals to divide. Yes, they both are of the same precedence. So I have to pop, before in pushing this divide into the stack, I have to pop the multiplication operator and 2 operands from the operand stack perform the operations, then whatever we are getting, 6 divided by 3, whatever the result we are getting, then I have to push it into the stack. What am I saying is, if I pop this two operands and the multiplication symbol, then what will be my result? 6 divided by 3, that is 2. The result is 2. I have to put the result back into the operand stack, and now we can push this divide operator into the stack. Is it clear? Okay. Now we encountered 2. Push it into the operand stack. Encountered closing bracket. Whenever we are encountered closing bracket, we have to pop till we encountered opening bracket. We have to pop till we encountered opening bracket. Okay. So simply pop the elements. Pop this divide. A simple operator, divide from an operator stack, and 2 operands from the operand stack. So 2 divided by 2. The result is 1. Push the result back into the operand stack. Now encountered, because we didn't encountered opening bracket till now, so I have to pop the subtraction symbol also. Encountered 2 operands, 1 and 5. 1 minus 5, that is minus 4. Push the result back into the stack, that is minus 4. Now we encountered opening bracket, so simply pop this also. Now we encountered, now all the operations are done, pushing is done. Now we have operators left into my operator stack. So if any operator is left into the stack now, then I have to perform all the remaining operations as well. Remove this plus operator, then 2 operands from this stack. Minus 4 plus 2 gives me minus 2. Push the result back into the stack, and now we are going to have our result. That is minus 2 is our result. So this is what we have to calculate. Okay. So let's write some code, then it will be more clear to you. But before writing this function, okay, I have to take the input from the user as well here. No, I don't. Okay. So before completing this main function, I can write 2 main functions, that is for precedence. So public static int precedence. It will gonna take the one parameter, that is char operator. I have to check whatever we are getting, that is this char op operator, is it equals to multiply, divide, then I have to return something. If op equals to plus, then what I have to return? Return 1. Else if op equals to, that is operator equals to subtraction, that is minus, return 1, because they both are lesser precedence, have less precedence than multiplication and division. Return 1 again. Else if operator equals to multiplication. Multiplication has higher precedence than plus and minus. So therefore I have to return 2. Else return 2, because now we are left only with divide. So multiplication and division both have same precedence, therefore we are returning 2 from these 2 cases. Okay. The another function will be public static int operation. Operation. Whatever the operation that I want to perform, so it will be calculated through this function. So I have to receive int value 1, second value, and an operator. Okay, so this code will be same. If operator is plus, then what I have to return? V1 plus V2. V1 minus V2. If it is multiplication, then V1 multiplied by V2. Else, the remaining we are having is divide, then V1 divide by V2. As simple as that. This is what we have going to do. Okay, now let's back to our main function again. So initially I have to make two stacks, right? Okay, so let's make the stack. Stack of what? Integer. Integer operand equals to new stack. And then the stack will gonna be of character. Why character? Because in this is operator stack we are going to store our characters, that is plus, minus, divide, and opening bracket, closing brackets, new stack. Okay, so now we are done with our two stack. Now what I have to do? I have to traverse on that string, because we are going to have a string as our input. See, the string is stored in this exp variable, so I have to traverse on this string. Okay, so int I equals to 0, I should be less than exp dot length. Is it fine? Okay, I plus plus. Now what I have to do? Okay, so while traversing, I have already told you that we have four conditions. What are that conditions? If, but before that I have to extract it now. Okay, I have to extract the first character. Char ch equals to str dot, not str, it is exp dot char at I. Okay, in ch now we received our first character. Now I have to check all the four conditions that we have. That is, if ch equals to opening bracket, then I have to do some work. Else if ch equals to any suppose whatever I have written, suppose that it is closing bracket. Okay, then I have to do some work. Else if ch is any digit, then I have to do some work. Else now we are only left with the operation. Else even we can write that condition as well. Else if ch equals to plus, that is, now we are having our operators only. Although we can we don't need to write this condition as well, because we are left with only our one rule. It is possible that it might be the operators only. If ch equals to minus, or ch equals to multiplication, or ch equals to divide. So in these four cases I have to do some work. Okay, so what if we encountered opening bracket? I have to simply push it into the stack. st.push, not st.push. In which stack I have to push this? I have to push this into the operator stack. Operators dot push ch. Simple. If we encountered closing bracket, then what I have to do? I have to perform all the operations till we encountered opening bracket. Okay, before writing this, let's complete this. If character is digit, again simply push it into the operand stack. Operand dot push ch. Okay, now move to our first condition that I have not written. Okay, if ch is closing bracket, so I have to pop while operators dot size is greater than 0. Why I'm checking this size? Because if there is no operator left, then how can I perform any operations? And what I have to check again? Another condition. What will be the another condition? If operators dot peak not equals to opening bracket. Is it fine? Okay. So in this case, I have to what perform? I have to do take one operator from the operator stack and two operands from the operand stack. Int v1, v2 even. Why I'm saying it v2, let me tell you. Operand dot pop int v1 equals to operand dot pop and char op equals to operator dot pop. Now we are having two operands and one operator. I have to call my operation function to perform this calculation. So as it is returning me an int value, int, let's name it as result. The name of the function is operation. Operation v1, v2 and operator. Whatever we are receiving in my result, I have to push the result back into the operand stack. Operand dot push result. And I don't want to perform the multiplication, right? So operator dot pop, as we left with the operator in that stack as well, na? So I have to pop that operator as well. What I'm saying is, if I encountered this closing bracket, it means I'm popping till all the operations, all the operators till we encountered opening bracket. I'm fine. So if I encountered all the operators, I'm done with divide, I'm done with multiplication, I'm done with subtraction. Now I have to pop this opening bracket as well, na? Therefore I have written operators dot pop. It means this will remove that opening bracket. Okay, hope you got this point. Okay, now we have, if we encountered any operator, then what I have to do? Again, I have to check the precedence first. While operators dot size is greater than 0 and operators dot peak not equals to opening bracket, And another condition will be precedence. Precedence of CH should be less than equals to precedence of operators dot peak. It's operators, not operator. Okay. Operators dot peak. Then what I have to do? I have to perform the same operation, same calculation. Control C, Control V. Fine. Okay. And after performing this operation, I have to push our encountered operator, that is operator dot push ch. What I'm saying is operators. Suppose that we encountered divide, and in the stack there is multiplication and we encountered divide. So can I push this divide into the stack? No, I cannot push this divide into the stack right now. I have to perform all the calculations with this multiplication, then pushing the result back into the operand stack, and then we have to push this ch, that is our encountered operator, into the operator stack back. So this is what this line is representing, that operators dot push ch. Now we are done with this work. Okay, so we are done our work from till there. If we have anything left in the operator stack, operators dot size is greater than 0, then I have to perform the same calculation. Fine. After this, I have to print a result. System dot out dot println r operators dot peak, operand dot peak. Even we can pop it out because I don't want to left any element in my final result, equals to operand dot pop, and print this f result. Let's try to run our code. Okay, compilation error, cannot find symbol operators. Okay, I misspelled the spelling. Operators, how many errors we are having? Okay, on line 37, operand dot push, incompatible type, char cannot be converted into. Okay, so this is what I have to tell you. I cannot push the character. See, this is my string. I encountered it as a string, that is a character. I encountered it as a character. This char 5 is not equals to 5. This is 53, I guess, and this is 48. If we subtract these two, then we get 5. So therefore, I am subtracting our answer. Sorry. This 5 is for 53, and for 0. For a string 0, we have 48. So I have to subtract these two, then we can get our answer 5. Okay, so whenever you want to push any character as a digit, then you have to subtract your character from the character 0, then we get our integer. Now let's run our code, accept it, let's try to submit it. Correct answer. Hope you like this video. Thank you.